Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we want to find a solution to this system of equation. We're asked to solve the equation x plus 3x minus y divided by x squared plus y squared equal to 3 and y minus x plus 3y divided by x squared plus y squared equal to 0. But we are only looking for the real values of x and y that can satisfy both equations. So let me start by tagging this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. Secondly, I would like to multiply this by y and multiply this by x. Reason? Because I want to have common terms here. All right, let's do that. From the first equation, x times y will give us xy. So we have xy plus, we are going to use this y to multiply only the numerator. So 3x times y is 3xy. 3xy minus y times y is y squared. Divide by x squared plus y squared. This is equal to 3 multiplied by the same variable y. So we have 3y here. Then going to the second equation where we have to multiply by x. We have y times x is xy. Then minus x times x is x squared. Then 3y times x is 3xy divided by x squared plus y squared equal to 0 times x equal to 0. Now these two equations that we have formed, I want us to add them together. By adding them to their left hand side, we have xy plus xy equal to 2xy, right? So we have 2xy. Then middle terms, we want to add them together, but negative will overpower positive sign, right? So we have 3xy minus 3xy is 0, right? What we have left is negative y squared minus x squared, which we can write as minus, we can factor it out, then x squared plus y squared. And the denominator will not change. We have x squared plus y squared. This is equal to the right hand side. We have 3y plus 0, which is 3y. These terms are exactly the same, so we have 1. This is 2xy minus 1 equal to 3y. Now, since we have only single x here, we can make it the subject. This is 2xy. If negative 1 crosses over, it becomes positive. Then we can divide both sides by 2y. Finally, x equal to 3y plus 1 divided by 2y. So this is the value of x that we are going to substitute back into one of the equations. Let me use equation number 2 right here. So here is the second equation. Let me take this term to the right hand side. Y will be equal to x plus 3y divided by x squared plus y squared. We can multiply both sides by x squared plus y squared. So we have x squared y plus y cubed, right? And this is equal to x plus 3y. So what is the value of x? Remember, x is 3y plus 1 divided by 2y. So we have 3y plus 1 divided by 2y all squared, right? Then multiply by y plus y cubed. This is equal to 3y plus 1 divided by 2y, then plus 3y. Let me expand this one first. To the top, we have 3y squared is 9y squared. Then plus 2 times this, which is 6y times 1 is 6y. Then plus 1 squared. Divide by 2y squared, which is 4y squared. Don't forget, we still have y here. plus y cubed. This is equal to 3y plus 1 divided by 2y plus 3y. Now I would like to use this y and distribute over, this power of 2 reduced by 1. So we have 9y squared plus 6y plus 1 divided by just 4y, then plus y cubed equal to 3y plus 1 divided by 2y plus 3y. Now I would like to multiply every single term by 4y because that is the LCM of 4y and 2y. If you multiply the first term by 4y, the fraction will go, leaving 9y squared plus 6y plus 1, then plus 4y to the 4th power, right? And to the right hand side, you know that 4y divided by 2y is 2, so you use the 2 to multiply the top. 2 times 3y is 6y plus 2 times 1 is 2. Then plus 4y times 3y is 12y squared. 12y squared. Now I would like to bring every single term to the left hand side. Let me start with this one. We have 4y to the 4th power. Do we have to the 3rd power? No, we have plus 9y squared. As this one crosses over, it becomes negative 12y squared. Then those that contain only y, this will cancel this because they are exactly the same. Then if this one crosses over, it becomes negative 2, and this is equal to 0. This is 4y to the 4th power. Then 9y squared minus 12y squared is negative 3y squared. Then 1 minus 2 is minus 1. The whole of this equal to 0. Now we can regard this as a quadratic equation in terms of y squared, right? So y squared instead of y, because this is to the 4th power, so we have y squared equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? A is the leading coefficient. We have 4, b is negative 3, and c is negative 1. So let's substitute them. Y squared is equal to minus b. Already b is negative, so we have positive 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, which is 2 times 4. Y squared equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 3 squared is 9, minus minus is plus, 4 times 4 is 16. So we have plus 16 here, divided by 8. Y squared is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 25 divided by 8. Y squared equal to 3 plus or minus 5 divided by 8. So y squared could either be equal to 3 plus 5 divided by 8, or y squared equal to 3 minus 5 divided by 8. Y squared equal to 8 divided by 8, or y squared equal to negative 2 divided by 8. Y squared equal to 1, or y squared equal to negative 1 over 4. Y here is equal to plus or minus square root of 1. Y here equal to plus or minus the square root of 1 negative divided by 4. You know this is not a real number, so we're not going to consider that. So let's discard this solution because we are only looking for the real solutions. But for imaginary solution, you can consider this one. So y is either equal to plus 1 or minus 1. So remember, what is the value of x? Because these are the values of y. X is 3y plus 1 divided by 2y, right? So this is the value of x. So we're going to consider two cases. When y is equal to 1, x will be equal to 3 multiplied by 1 plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. X is equal to the top. We have 3 times 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2, right? So when y is 1, x is 2. So we have one set of solution here. 2 and 1, right? And we're going to consider the second case when y is equal to negative 1. We have 3 times negative 1 plus 1. 3 times negative 1 plus 1 divided by 2 times negative 1. X is equal to the top. We have negative 3 plus 1, which is negative 2. We have negative 2 divided by negative 2, which is equal to positive 1. So we have second category. When y is negative 1, x is 1. So x, y, we have them as 1 and negative 1. So these are the pair of solutions we have. We could either have 2, 1 or 1, negative 1. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. And I would like you to test these values into the main equation to see whether they are going to satisfy or not. Bye bye.